Here we go. We're doing another first. We're heading to Ronge, Saskatchewan, which is about 4.5 hours north of where I am. And I'm already fairly north when it comes to geography in Saskatchewan. So we're heading up to an absolute beauty of a spot. I've actually never been there before. This is gonna be a first time for me, but the landscape is supposed to be awesome, and we're gonna be doing some rock crawling, something that I've never done. I don't know if the Jeep's really necessarily cut out for it. I did some more cutting to try and clearance it a bit more, and I don't have a front locker, but well, we'll do what we can. Anyway, some of the guys from the last big trip, the mud trip that we had, the overnighter, they're going to be there, and there's going to be a bunch of new people that are supposed to be there as well. So I'm really looking forward to this weekend. There's a lot of driving involved to get there, and then to do some off-roading. I'm pretty excited. I hope you guys enjoy.
This is how it's gonna be. This is what you think of me. It's going down like I told you. This is how it's gonna be. I'll be the last man standing here. I'm not going anywhere. It's going down like I told you. I'll be the last man standing here. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'll have you begging for mercy, oh. I'm dangerous, so dangerous. I'm dangerous, so dangerous. I'm the baddest mother up in here, and I'm about to make it clear. It's going down like I told you. I'm the baddest mother up in here. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'm gonna rock you. I'll have you begging for mercy, oh. I'm dangerous, so dangerous. I'm dangerous.
I'm okay. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.